Assalamu alaikum, honorable viewers and my dear students, how are you all? Hope you are keeping well by the grace of Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to teach the students of class 8. So, without wasting your time, please take all necessary things and be attentive to my class. Welcome to online class of Ranbazar Girls High School. I am Mohammad Ali Hussain, Assistant Headmaster, Puran Bazar Girls High School. Dear students, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What is it called? Yes. Have you seen it before? Yes. Where? What do you do with it? So, our today's topic is Nakshikatha, Unit 1, Lesson 2, Page 3. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to read and understand the text, understand the vocabulary, quilt, artistic, commercially, traditional pattern, ask and answer questions, write a short paragraph, fill in the blanks, practice passive voice. Dear students, before we starting our passage, let us know some vocabularies so that you can know the meaning of the story. Quilt. Quilt means a bed covering consisting of fabric sticks together. Artistic. Artistic means having or revealing creating style. Commercially. Commercially means an advertisement in a common media form. Pattern. Pattern means decorative arrangement. Traditional. Traditional means attached to old custom. Dear students, listen the story attentively. Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidery quilt. যে নকশিকাঁথা হলো এক ধরনের সূচি শিল্প। The name was taken from the বাংলা word নকশা আর এই নামটা বাংলা শব্দ নকশা থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে which means artistic pattern যেটা বলতে artistic নকশাকে বোঝায়। It is a traditional craft and is said to be indigenous in Bangladesh, West Bengal in India. এটা একটা ঐতিহ্যগত কাঁথা এবং বাংলাদেশ এবং ভারতের পশ্চিমবঙ্গে এটাকে স্বদেশী পণ্য হিসেবে মনে করা হয়। The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. আর এই কারুশিল্প বাংলার গ্রাম অঞ্চলে শত বছর পর্যন্ত এটা ব্যবহৃত হয়ে আসছে। Dear students, do you know him? He is our poet Joshimuddin. He wrote Nokshikathar Math. The name Nokshikatha became popular after poet Josimuddin's poem Nokshikatar Mart was published in 1929. এই নকশিকাতা মার্ট 1929 সালে প্রকাশিত হওয়ার পর নকশিকাতা আরও জনপ্রিয় হয়েছিল। Traditional kathas are made for family use. Old or new cloths and thread are used to make this quilt. ময়মনসিংহ তো ঐতিহ্যগত কাঁথা পারিবারিক ব্যবহারের জন্য ব্যবহৃত হয়। নতুন পুরনো কাপড় এবং সুতা এই কাঁথা তৈরির জন্য ব্যবহৃত হয়। ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া and Joshua are most famous for this craft. ময়মনসিংহ, জামালপুর, রাজশাহী, ফরিদপুর, বগুড়া এবং যশোর এই কাঁথার জন্য বিখ্যাত। Now it is produced commercial. এখন এটা বাণিজ্যিকভাবে তৈরি হয়। You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. তুমি এগুলো অনেক হস্তশিল্পের ব্যয়বহুল দামি শহরের দোকানগুলোতে এটা দেখতে পাবে। The quilts are now in great demand. এই কাঁথাগুলোর এখন অনেক চাহিদা। Because of the colorful patterns, রঙিন বিভিন্ন নকশার কারণে and designs embroidered on এবং এর মধ্যে অনেক রঙিন সূচিশিল্প দেখা যায়। Dear students, now read the text individually and complete the sentence with clues below. Bengali, patterns, embroidery, fashions, art, rural, designs, quilt, নকশা। Naqsha means artistic, yes, artistic pattern, design. 2. The name was taken from a dash, yes, from Bengali word Naqsha. 3. The art has been practiced in Dash Bengal, West Bengal. 4. Nokshi Kathas are now sold in Dash shops, fashion shops. Nokshi Kathas are a kind of Dash quilt. Number 6. Nokshi Kathas are in great demand because of their colorful embroidery and design. Dear students, to make Nokshi Katha, we need needle, new cloths, colorful thread, and old cloth. Dear students, now take homework and try to complete them at your home. Answer the following question. 1. What is Nokshi Katha? 2. Who wrote Nokshi Kathar Mat? 3. Where was the name taken from? 4. What does the word expensive refer to? 5. What are used to make Nokshi Katha? 6. What made the name Nokshi Katha popular? Dear students, thank you very much. Dear students, stay at home and remain safe. But in emergency situation, if you have to go out, remember, you have to use sanitizer, put on mask and maintain social distance.